Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Vandevi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today our recipe is a seasonal favorite. It is mango Shrikhand. I hope you enjoy my recipe. To make our Shrikhand, I am using curd in a muslin cloth. I am going to hang this for about 2 hours. I am using homemade curd. You can use either homemade or store-bought curd. We need to drain out all the liquid from the curd. Curd has been hung in the muslin cloth for 2 hours, so we've got a nice chunky piece of our yogurt or curd. What I'm going to do is put this through a strainer in batches mixed with powdered or castor sugar. So I'm using powdered sugar. And I'm just going to mix this. This step is very important in making Shrikhand, because the more you pass this through the strainer, the more fluffier Shrikhand will be. All the yogurt has been passed through the sieve with the powdered sugar, and this is what it looks like to make our Shrikhand. I'm going to add in some mango pulp. I mixed in the mango pulp. Next I'm going to add some finely chopped mango pieces. Giving this a quick mix. Some kesar. I've diluted the kesar in water. Our Shrikhand is ready. I'm going to put these in little individual matti bowls that I have. So in goes my Shrikhand. I'm garnishing my Shrikhand with pista and almond, which has been soaked and cut into thin slices. Adding a little glamour to our Shrikhand bowls by adding a little silver varak. You can even use gold varak. These are edible, and this is what goes on to all the mithais in your mithai stores. Our yummy mango Shrikhand is ready. I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.